Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about BigCommerce versus WooCommerce. Now for ease of use, WooCommerce requires WordPress setup and plugin configuration. More flexible but has a learning curve. Now for the ease of use of BigCommerce, BigCommerce is beginner friendly with a drag and drop tools and built-in features. Now for features and functionality, WooCommerce has highly customizable with plugins and extensions. And now for BigCommerce, BigCommerce includes most features out of the box, ideal for quick setup. Now for design and themes, WooCommerce has access to a wide range of free and premium WooCommerce themes. Now for BigCommerce, BigCommerce offers modern, responsive BigCommerce themes with less customization. Now for scalability and performance, WooCommerce depends on the hosting provider. It offers full control. For BigCommerce, BigCommerce scales automatically with managed performance. For security and compliance, WooCommerce lets you manage SSL certificates, backups, and updates with the help from your host. For BigCommerce, BigCommerce has a built-in SSL, PCI compliance, and automatic security updates. So for SEO friendliness, WooCommerce has a strong SEO capability with plugins like Yoast, full control over structure. For BigCommerce, BigCommerce has a built-in SEO tools, but with limited customization. Now for pricing, WooCommerce has a free plugin, but costs vary by hosting, themes, and plugins. For BigCommerce, subscription-based pricing with clear monthly plans. Now for the pros and cons. For the pros, for WooCommerce, it is high flexibility and low cost. Now for its cons, it has more setups required. Now for BigCommerce, pros for BigCommerce, it is easy to use and fewer customization options. For support and community, WooCommerce has a community-based support, while BigCommerce has a 24/7 live chat and phone support, plus a help center. Now that's it for WooCommerce and BigCommerce. Which is better? It's gotta be up to you because everything is subjective. Thanks for watching.